In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed Google Calendar on your GoDaddy website. Our first task is to acquire the iCal address from your Google Calendar. In order to do this, you'll need to access Google Calendar. Locate and click on the gear style icon to open the settings. Next, choose the specific calendar you wish to embed in your GoDaddy site. This choice is made by selecting the appropriate calendar in the left column. After making your selection, locate and click on the button that says Integrate Calendar. Look for a field labeled Public Address in iCal format, and copy the URL that's provided. This URL is your Google Calendar's iCal address, and we'll need it in a moment to add it to your GoDaddy website. The next step is to funnel this calendar into your GoDaddy site. For this, you need to browse to your GoDaddy product page. Once there, mark the Websites Plus Marketing section. Afterward, cast your eyes to your website and click Manage right next to it. As we're aiming to edit the site, select the option of either Edit Website or Edit Site. Now is the moment to inject your desired location into your website. You can pick a section where you'd like to place the calendar. If you feel the need to create a new section, locate and click on the plus icon. This opens the list of sections and enables you to add a new one. Your search now begins for the calendar option. Once you find it, click on it and proceed to add it to your page by selecting the Add button. This stage is where the calendar settings become integral to complete our task. You need to select the Link a Calendar option for the calendar settings. This is where your Google Calendar's iCal address becomes incredibly important. Remember the URL you copied from the public address in iCal format field? Now is the time to use it. Paste that URL into the calendar URL field. You've just linked your Google Calendar to your GoDaddy site. At this juncture, it's time to personalize your calendar. Enter a title for your calendar. This will help visitors to your site understand what events or tasks the calendar represents. Once you have a suitable title, simply click Save. And that's it. By following these steps, you successfully embedded your Google Calendar into your GoDaddy website. With this knowledge, you have the power to make your website an organized and well-informed space.